Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the eBay verification code not received. First, go ahead and check if your internet connection is working properly or not. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can stop the verification code from being delivered. Next, check that you have entered your phone number or email address correctly inside the app. Even small mistakes can prevent the code from arriving. If the app sends the code through email, make sure you check your spam or junk folder. Go to the email app and then click on three-line option in the top left corner and check your junk folder or spam folder. Then restart your phone and try requesting the verification code again. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it back off. This refreshes your network connection. After that, make sure your phone number is able to receive text messages. Some users accidentally block unknown numbers or disable SMS permissions. You should also remove any VPN connection because VPNs can sometimes interfere with your verification system. If the code is still not arriving, wait a few minutes before trying again. Requesting too many codes in a short time may temporarily block new verification attempts. If available, try using the voice call verification option instead of SMS. You should also update the app eBay to the latest version from the App Store or your Play Store. Go to the App Store or Play Store, search for eBay and update the app as outdated versions sometimes cause login and verification problems. That's how you fix verification code not received on eBay. Subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials.